Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to devices setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experience. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up your Apple Watch Series 9. Whether you're new to the Apple Watch or just upgrading, I'll make this as simple as possible, so you can enjoy your watch right away. Let's get started. Now firstly, press and hold the side button, the one below the digital crown, until the Apple logo appears. Once the Apple Watch is on, bring your iPhone close to the watch. Now, your iPhone will now ask you to hold your Apple Watch up to the camera. Align the watch face within the frame shown on your iPhone screen, then you'll have two options: set up as a new watch or restore from a previous backup. If this is your first Apple Watch, select Set up as new. If you had an Apple Watch before and want to bring back your old settings, choose Restore from Backup. After that, you will be asked to log in using your Apple ID to sync services like iCloud. If it doesn't ask, you can sign in later through the Watch app on your iPhone. Next, you can customize settings like whether you want to enable location services, Siri, and activity tracking. Just follow the prompts to adjust these to your preferences. Then you'll be prompted to create a passcode for your Apple Watch. This adds an extra layer of security, especially if you plan to use features like Apple Pay. Choose a 4-digit or 6-digit passcode and enter it directly on your Apple Watch. If you want your iPhone apps that are compatible with the Apple Watch to sync automatically, choose Install All. If you prefer to choose apps manually later, select Choose Later. Your Apple Watch will now begin syncing with your iPhone. This process may take a few minutes, so sit tight. Once syncing is complete, your watch is ready to go. You can now explore the watch faces by pressing and holding the current face. Swipe left or right to switch faces, or tap Customize to adjust colors, styles, and complications. That's it. Your Apple Watch Series 9 is now set up and ready to help you stay connected, track your fitness, and more.